Have you ever wondered why understanding different electrical tools can make a difference in your DIY projects? Knowing these tools isn't just about being able to name them, it's about safety, efficiency, and pinpoint accuracy. Each tool has a specific role, a unique function that can streamline your projects and keep you safe while doing so. Knowledge of these tools enables you to select the right tool for the right job, preventing mishaps and mistakes. With a good understanding of these tools, you can tackle your DIY projects with confidence and precision. Now it's time to familiarize ourselves with some of the most commonly used electrical tools. First up, we have the multimeter. This handy device measures electrical properties like voltage, current, and resistance. Think of it as your go-to tool for checking the health of your electrical circuits. Next in line are wire strippers. These are used to safely remove the insulation from electrical wires. They're crucial when you're installing new fixtures or doing any sort of wiring work. Then we have wire cutters. They do exactly what their name suggests, cut wires. But remember, they're not for cutting live wires. Safety first, always. Pliers are another must-have. They're used for gripping, bending, and cutting wires and cables. There are many types of pliers, but needle nose and linesman pliers are the most common in electrical work. Our next tool is the voltage tester, also known as a voltage detector. This tool can quickly and safely tell you whether an electrical wire or device has voltage. It's a lifesaver when you're trying to avoid electrical shocks. Circuit finders are invaluable when you're trying to locate a particular circuit in a breaker box. With a circuit finder, you won't have to guess and check each circuit. And last, but certainly not least, is the soldering iron. This tool melts solder, a fusible alloy, which then cools to form a conductive joint between metal workpieces. It's used frequently in electronics to connect components together. Remember, these are just a few of the tools you'll come across in electrical work. There are many more out there, each with its own unique function, but these are the fundamental ones, the ones you'll reach for most often when you're tackling electrical DIY projects. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg, but they constitute the essential toolkit for most electrical DIY tasks. Now that we've covered these tools, let's summarize the key points to remember. Firstly, understanding the main functions of your electrical tools is crucial. The wire stripper, for instance, is your go-to for removing insulation from wires, while the multimeter is a versatile tool that can measure voltage, current, and resistance. And let's not forget the indispensable circuit tester, which can help you detect whether a circuit is functioning correctly. But hand in hand with knowing your tools comes practicing safety. Always ensure that you're wearing protective gear like gloves and goggles when handling these tools. And remember, don't work on live circuits. Always make sure the power is off before you start. Equally important is using the right tool for the right job. This isn't just a matter of efficiency, it's a matter of safety too. Using a wire cutter to strip wires, for example, can damage the wire and create a potential hazard. So always ensure that you're using the correct tool for the task at hand. And lastly, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use these tools, the more familiar you'll become with their functions and how to use them safely and effectively. Remember, the right knowledge of electrical tools can make your DIY projects safer, more efficient, and more fun. So keep exploring and keep learning.